up, team? What's going on with y'all today? Today I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm riding my bike today, Kawasaki Z650. So come ride with me, check it out. We're gonna take a nice easy ride to the gym. I'm gonna stop at the store, get me an energy drink, go ahead and do a workout so y'all can check out this video I got for y'all today. All right. We'll see what this quality sounds like, team. So yeah, I'm gonna stop by maybe like a Waffle House, get something to eat first. Yeah. Yeah, the weather's pretty chill. It's about 50 degrees out right now. It ain't too bad. It ain't too bad. Big bump right here. I don't know what that clicking noise is inside my helmet. I don't know what the hell that is. Something is. Oh, that's my damn sweater. My sweater ties are hitting my helmet. I gotta fix that. Bullshit. Got a little curve. Yeah, if you guys see something wrong with me riding, let me know what's up. Somebody said I shift too early. I'm trying to work on that. It is windy out here. Real windy. Yeah. Oh shit. State trooper. What's this? Marshal. Yeah, let me fix that shit. If I can. Causing problems. Yeah, that's it. It's a nice day today. A little chilly, but it'll work out. A little cloudy. It ain't gonna rain though. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain. Whoa. Yeah. Come on. shit, man. But yeah, so my first review on the motorcycle was pretty good. I got a lot of people liking it somewhat. I mean, it's okay, it's whatever. But I got a little bit of hate, you know, how that somebody was saying that I was too hyper for a mid-size bike or whatever. You know, it's my first bike, so it's all good. Ain't no issue. I know everybody want to see the fastest bike on the street, but I'm a beginner rider. See how I shifted my gears. Now we about to get on this highway, and I'm gonna take it up to speed. You know, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah. I'm just keeping up with traffic. It is very windy out here today. Very windy today. Whoop. I gotta find me a Waffle House. I want to eat some breakfast. Little bit of traffic. Where can I get something to eat? Where can I find something to eat? What the fuck going on? I'm gonna try down here. See what they got down here. How's that, team? I gotta be careful. So many cops. is down here. Because I'm not going to McDonald's. I want some grits or some eggs or something, man. Let's see what we got here. Let me chill right here for a second. Damn. Is that against the regulations? Yeah. I gotta follow the rules, team. Ah, shit, see, I'm fucking up now. I am fucking up. I ain't used to this place. I ain't been here before. El Rey Mexican restaurant. Mexican. Oh shit. See, I'm gonna fuck that up brutally. Hello. Sunrise Grill. What is this? What is this? Oh, they got food in there. I'm about to go in there. I'm about to go up in there. Yeah, fuck it. I don't know how y'all ride, but I'm like going through the parking lot and doing this and that. Just be real careful, because people cannot see you. I'm trying to find a spot close. Yeah, when you get your bike, you start to see things that you never seen before, like how people just walk so slow. There we go. There's a spot right there. Made for me. VIP. Yeah, baby. That's it. That is it, baby. I'm here. I'm gonna eat here. Fuck it. I'm gonna eat right here. Sunrise Grill. I never heard of that place, but it is what it is today. I'm gonna eat something small, and then I'm gonna go to the gym, get a workout in. We'll see what happens. I got a lot of shit I gotta do today. Got a lot of shit I gotta do today. I'm going on a vacation next week. Stay tuned. Damn, who is that? Stay tuned for that. Secret. Alright, I'm back. Food was good. I got me some eggs, some grits, and some bacon. Stop in the store, get me something to drink. Yeah, baby. Shit. I forgot my wallet is in my damn pocket. Fuck. Put this wallet in my bag. Highly advised, be careful with putting stuff in your pocket. Especially that wallet. Alright. Let's get up out of here. Yeah, like these speed bumps. Something different. I just want to go around them because I got so much space. looking around, so I've never been on this side. Always got to be careful with all this traffic out here. Somebody in the comments said just pretend like everybody on the road is drunk. You got to take care of yourself and make sure that you see everybody all around you. Don't assume anything. Do not assume anything. Yeah, so they say use your front brakes more than your back brakes. I like my back brakes for some reason, but I'm gonna start using my front brakes more. Bullshit. This my turn. This my turn. Yeah, I don't know what to talk about today, man. I drank me a little bit of beer last night. Chilled at the house, did some editing, did some music reviews, some video reviews on Prodigy and Mob Deep. Yeah, ain't nothing going on. Maybe clean up the house a little bit, prepare for my holiday trip coming up. I fly out Tuesday. I'm gonna go somewhere. I don't want to really talk about it right now. That's another video for my traveling section. Get up out of this coldness, go to the sun, get in that nice beach weather, get up out of here for a while. Oh shit. Oh snap. Take it easy on them curves. I don't like I'm very cautious with them curves, man. I get nervous. Yes. What is Bobby's? Cheeseburger. Where's my gas station? Over there. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna buy, that C4 energy drink for the gym. There it is. Where's the string? Oh shit. Ah shit. I done fucked up. I done fucked up. Look at this. Is this against the law? Probably is. Damn. I'm all jacked up. Fuck it. Ain't no cops over here. Nah, I fucked up. You see that car right in front of me? There's a Jeep right behind him. I don't know if he's turning, but he looks like he's gonna try to come in oncoming traffic to where I'm at. He ain't got no signal on or nothing. So if I make this left turn, is he gonna try to beat me to that turn? Damn, I should have went right there. We'll see. Look, oh, okay, he's turning left. And me, I'm gonna go ahead and turn too. See? Boom. Tearing these brakes up. All good. What's up, Lowe's? Yeah. Some people say I shift too early. I think I might. But I just don't like that engine to I don't know, right now it's in the braking period, and I don't like to go hard like that on the engine. But yeah, once you get on this thing, it's hard to get off. I'm telling you, it is hard to get off, man. I wish they had more motorcycle parking spots, but they don't. I wish they had more spots, but you know, so you could kind of see your bike better. I know some people get paranoid if they can't see their bike, you know, all in the back of the parking lot. I like to be in the front. Yeah. You know what? I forgot my energy drink. Shit. I forgot my energy drink, man. Shit. Let me go get that shit right quick. I need some energy, man. I need some energy. For real. Look how I'm riding. That's one thing, man, with motorcycles. You gotta remember everything. If I leave my phone right here, somebody gonna steal it. Somebody will try to steal that too. People always try to steal. Alright, I'm in the gas station. See if they say something. Got my drink. Now I could drink that and go inside the gym. Give myself about 10 minutes. Yeah, man. Where you going? Oh. Look at that old school Camaro. I got a red one. That it's in the process of reconstruction. I gotta get it tuned, dyno tuned. Man, check it out. I'm gonna play that game right there. Oh shit, there's more spots over there. There's a nice parking spot over there. It's a nice parking spot over there. See the bike? You could just eat. Oh, don't tell me. Yeah, you see that? With a bike, you could just mingle. You could sneak all in any spot you want, man. Yeah, that ram mount thing. People will steal that joint. But we'll see. I'm about to go inside this Planet Fitness, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. Alright, I'm done with my little workout. Now I need to find somewhere to eat. Wonder where I can eat something healthy, something clean. I was trying to go to this place called Clean Eats, but I think they're closed already. So we're gonna take a ride, look around, see what's going down. See what's going down. About to get on this highway, see what's going down. Yeah, that Clean Eats place is closed, G. Don't know what I can eat. Oh, trying to eat something healthy, but nothing too expensive. Prices is outrageous out here, G. Get you something to eat, yeah, it's like $20. Then they want a tip. Then you gotta give a tip. Ridiculous. It is windy out here. Out here. I think my helmet is too big for my head. Where I'm gonna eat at today, man. Shit. What I got? Something to eat around this bitch. but I'll get some of that later. Get some fake juice. Slow the fuck down before I get in trouble. Shit. Yeah, this place is hard to find food from the looks of it. I'm just riding around. I don't even know where I'm at. But it's all good. Yeah, like I said, if y'all see something I'm doing wrong, let me know. And like I said earlier, somebody said that I shift my gears too early. I think somebody said there's no reason I should be in 6th gear going 40. So I'm trying to get better at doing that, you know. I like how I don't like to push the engine all hard, you know. Once I hear it starting to creep up, like right now, I want to shift, you know. Engine is still brand new, so I don't know. Probably later it'll start to feel a little bit different. Drink. I see all these liquor stores around here, making me thirsty. Probably drink a beer or something when I get to the house. Jesus. I think I'm in the ghetto. Straight liquor stores, Dollar General. Yeah. Abandoned houses. So yeah, I'm just riding, seeing where the road takes me. See, like this, it feels good. I just kind of use my clutch to control my speed. Oh yeah, if y'all want to know where I'm at, nah, I ain't gonna tell you where I'm at. I ain't gonna. There's a little puppy, little pit bull puppies for sale. Pit bull puppies for sale. Pit bull puppies for sale. I can't have no pit bull. Man, where am I gonna go? I'm gonna go this way. I don't know what's down here. Yeah, I want a pit bull, but I need some land or something. Pit bull is great, beautiful dog, because those dogs can get you in some shit you can't get out of, bite somebody, and you're responsible. I've seen some mean pit bulls, but I've seen a lot of nice ones too, so I guess it just depends on the owner. Birds. These old houses. And then this right here, always got to be careful coming up to stop signs and stuff. When you cross the street, always look both ways when the light's green. Oh, I still always look both ways. Come on. I'm gonna pass this guy. Oh shit. Yeah. Ja Rule and Ashanti. Haha. Nice. I think I'll pass it though. I don't know, if I ain't doing nothing, I might check it out. See all these roads, and you really see the roads when you want to bike too. All the bumps and cracks in the road, and really start to see that stuff. But on this 650, that bumps ain't bad. I don't feel bad. Feel it ain't like it's gonna throw you off the bike, but okay, this road ended. What the fuck? I'm gonna make a right turn. Man, I'm supposed to be getting some food, man. I'm supposed to be getting some food. Man, can I make a right turn? Oh, snap. Po-po. Po-po. Riverwalk. That's where I'm gonna head to. Riverwalk. Let's see if they got something out here. Oh, shit. Riverwalk. Okay. Well, I think that's the end of the video.